So you want to create an online courses and make a little bit of extra income for it. I got you. So online courses is actually one of the best ways to make money from home. And no, it is not a passive income. What many people are talking about, oh, passive income this, passive income that. No, creation of an online courses is far from the passive income. And I actually don't believe in existence of passive income because there's nothing passive in pouring out a lot of work in your work. So no, online course creation is not the passive income, but it is still one of the best ways to make money from home, especially in the situation that is happening outside right now. So in this video, I will be giving you 5 steps in order to create your first online course. This will be for the complete beginners who does not have any courses created, but even the individuals who have some courses created might find some useful tips in here. This is by no means, shape or form, is not a comprehensive guide of creation of an online course because it is the entire course's worth of material in itself, but this will give you, the beginners in online course space, an understanding what it actually takes to create an online course. So here are 5 steps in the creation of your online course. So step number 1, you actually need to have a knowledge of a certain topic. It doesn't matter what topic you know. It actually doesn't matter. Only requirement is that you need to have an actual knowledge and actual experience in a topic. And if you want to give an examples, I don't know, it can be about anything. How to draw, how to take a good photos, how to download good applications from an app store. No, that's actually probably a bad subject. Nobody probably pay for it. But anyways, how to talk with a kid, how to renovate the house, how to record the video, how to have a good audio quality, how to choose the mouse on Amazon, etc, etc. It can be course about literally everything. And of course, different subjects have different values. So I don't know if somebody will pay a lot of money on how to choose the mouse on Amazon, but you can try if you want. The only requirement that you have is to have an actual comprehensive knowledge, and it should not be a few videos that you watched on YouTube and decided that you know this subject, because it never works. It never works because your knowledge is not a comprehensive. The few YouTube videos that you watch is not enough, and your course will show this. And if you think that you can do it and you will be the first guy who tried this, no, literally thousands of different people are trying to do this and they all fail at it miserably. So you better have a good knowledge and experience in the subject that you're creating a course for. Step number 2 is to actually record your class. It is not as difficult as you might think. And no, I'm not talking about it's not difficult for me. It is actually not that difficult. You can even just point the camera like that on your face and start talking to the camera. That's all that you need to record an online class. The majority of online classes is nothing but this. And even my classes are nothing more than this. Additional thing that you can do is just add some slides maybe. That's all that you can do if you don't want to record your face. Have a recording of your slides and just talk over your slides. That's it. It's extremely simple thing to do. It's a very basic thing to do. If you don't know it, no, it's not a shame. Go and search it on YouTube on how to record your screen, etc, etc. It's a very simple thing to do, and all you need to do is just create a few lectures, just record a few videos. Don't have like one continuous video talking about the certain subject. Just have it division. I highly suggest you to have at least 10 video lectures in your course in order to show your potential students the value of your course, so they would understand it's not just 3 or 4 videos they're paying for. You actually need to have around 10 lectures in order for your students to actually understand that they are paying something valuable. Step number 3, upload your course on online course marketplaces. I know a lot of YouTubers and other people are saying that, oh, upload your course on self-hosted platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, and etc, different platforms. But as a beginner, you probably have no idea how to market your course, or do not have any audience watching you, and you have no idea how to market this, and you will create your course. No matter how amazing this course is, nobody will be able to find it because it's on a self-hosted platform, and now you need to learn how to market it, etc, etc. It's an additional steps that you actually don't need to take, because you can start selling your courses on online course marketplaces like the Udemy and Skillshare. I know there are a lot more different online course platforms and marketplaces, but I highly suggest you to focus on only Udemy and Skillshare, because all the other ones are generating so little income that they actually are not that worth it, no matter how good quality course that you have. You can upload your course on Udemy and Skillshare, but be mindful of that Udemy and Skillshare have a bit different requirements for the courses, so courses should be a bit different from each other. So adjust your courses accordingly to your Udemy and Skillshare. And to do that, read the Skillshare class guides. That's all you need to do, because Udemy is practically accepting everything, and if they do not like that, they will tell you while they review your class. But Skillshare, if they do not like this, they will delete your course and give you a strike, and there's practically nothing that you could do. So I highly suggest you to read the class guides or watch my videos, because I have a lot of different things about Skillshare on this YouTube channel, so you can go through it if you want. Just be very careful and avoid any problems in the future. Step number 4, promote your class. I know this sounds very difficult thing to do, and how you can promote it, where you can promote it. Oh, should you start spamming in the Facebook groups, or should you start spamming in the YouTube comments? No, of course not. Never do that. It never works. It only damages your future career or future authority. All you need to do is, if you have an authority and if you know the certain subject, just start creating short videos about it and upload it on YouTube. It's very simple. If you know the subject, you can probably create 10-15 videos about this subject and upload them once a week, and just separate it, and until this 15 weeks will pass, you'll probably have ideas how to create more videos about this. And when people will come to those videos, when people will search for those videos and come to your channel, they will see that you have actually entire course about this, and if they're interested in it, they will go there and they will buy it. It's not they will buy it, I would say they might buy it. So you have to be very vigilant about this and understand that not everyone will buy it. But if you will not market this, you can still get some sales from Udemy and Skillshare, because it's online course marketplaces. But you prefer to fuel it with more and more new people, because otherwise it might take a lot of time to generate even a little bit of income from these courses on the Udemy and on Skillshare on its own, of course. So I highly suggest you to create a YouTube channel for this. It is a very simple thing to do. You can create exactly the same type of videos that I'm recording this right now, and it will be very simple thing to do. If you know how to record the video for your course, you probably know how to record the video for the YouTube. So it's a very simple thing to do, and highly suggest you to promote your course on YouTube. And additionally, what you could do is add your videos on Facebook as well. Not your personal profile, but create a specific Facebook page like the YouTube channel and upload it on Facebook as well. Because what the hell, if you upload your videos on YouTube, you can upload your videos on Facebook as well. It's an additional platform. There's nothing that you could lose. You can additionally create the videos on IGTV as well. Not the separate videos, upload the same videos on IGTV as well. It is very simple thing to do. So I would highly suggest you to do that. And step number 5 is to wait. Yes, my friends, to wait and collect money, because courses is not the thing that will generating you money right away. You need some authority, you need some reviews, you need some seasoning of your courses. The people should come to your courses, people should find out you are actually knowledgeable in this subject, and they will actually start paying money because of your knowledge and because of your authority. In the future, when you upload the more courses, you will probably gain more and more money from this, because they know you, they trust you, they will gladly pay you some money for your knowledge. It's not gonna be a big problem. So I would highly suggest you to wait for it. Even when I created one of my best courses, my first courses were actually one of my best courses, one of my most extensive courses, I waited few months, like 4 or 5 months, in order to just start generating like $100 per month. So yeah, it's not a big problem. Wait, you have nowhere to hurry. This is not a short-term goal. It's actually a long-term business that you can generate from it. And here are some bonus tips that I would highly suggest you to use it. First, never use any music in your courses, because unless you have an explicit commercial license, you might be actually violating. So unless you have an explicit commercial license, you might be actually violating some copyright laws, and your courses might be taken down. So just try to not use any music in your courses unless you have an explicit commercial license. And bonus tip number 2, always focus on quality rather than quantity. Upload one course that is really good, then upload 5 courses that is medium to crappy quality. Trust me, I'm telling this from my own experience. I uploaded a lot of crappy courses, and now I'm trying to fix them. And yeah, it's not a good thing. Just do not upload a high quality quantity of the courses. Always focus on quality, because the quality courses are the courses that will generate you money in the long run. Well, this will be it for today. I guess this will help you to create your first online course. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.